This is going to be an awesome video once I'm able to get back online. Wow, we're going to take a shower in a bucket. Oh, see, I purified this water with bleach.
Yeah.
We're not swimming in that thing.
Where'd you get the water?
That's right. Huh?
A hooer bath.
A hooer bath. I don't mind at all. And now I can go watch some Netflix on my computer. Downloaded Netflix. Ooh, that's yuck, got soap in my eye. See you later. This show's dumb. I don't recommend it at all. Woo!
What is that?
Night vision.
Oh, sweet.
Right? Where's the snacks? End of day 2 of the Hurricane Diary. And I know you're not seeing anything right now, but my phone is pointed to the sky. And there are millions and millions of stars out there. No light pollution. You could actually see the Milky Way. And right now, we are exactly in the middle of the galaxy. And it's really awesome.